I'm giving away all these capsules to a subscriber at 3k subs. Feel free to join the journey. Alright, the recent update to sticker placements and the new case did shake up the investing market as a whole, forcing us to reconsider existing investment approaches. In this video, I want to go over the possible changes for 3 different time horizons and discuss what I believe will happen. In the short term, that being a few weeks, we can already feel what's happening. We will continue to experience a few upticks in prices for popular stickers and stickers that can be used for creative crafts or other weird crafts, if you know, you know. In case you are prepared to sell one of these sticker investments, now is probably a good opportunity to still be profiting off of hype. Due to this update, we've seen seemingly random older autograph and team stickers enjoy pretty nice gains, so you might have an opportunity to sell those positions as well. I believe the update created an opportunity to break the downward trend that has been building over the last few months for the investing sector in general, especially if the hype can continue on with Copenhagen's RMRs starting this week. While the update somewhat hurt older crafts, I think it's necessary to move on to new and exciting things to do in the game. I also want to quickly mention investor confidence in Valve here. So I personally will continue to have trust in Valve not messing up their game or the market in its entirety, and that's why I'm still invested and will continue to add on opportunities. The update showed Valve cares and is willing to adapt. Also, they introduced more measures to prevent API scams, which is always nice to see. People who have invested significant amounts of money should be aware of how to avoid API scams. But it's nice to have, and I guess everyone can be distracted every once in a while. On the other hand, just as we had last year with multiple changes to skins and stickers, it's valid and understandable to be scared what Valve will adjust in the next big update that can decrease the value of skins, crafts or investments. Please let me tell you about GamerPay for a few seconds. GamerPay is honestly quite the simple marketplace for CS items, with super good prices and one of the best fee structures out there. You are trading with real people who buy or sell items with no fee. You can customize your search to find the exact skin you like, even with the newest or oldest stickers, whatever floats your boat. Right now, you can get free €5 upon signing up with my link in the description when you buy something worth €50 or more via GamerPay's marketplace. So you can give it a try and even get a portion of your shopping spree for free. Special thanks to you and to GamerPay for providing me with this opportunity. Alright, let's move on to the midterm, which is, let's say, from now until Shanghai in December. I understand this time frame is usually referred to as short term in general investing, but should really be adjusted in the CS environment in my opinion. I believe the midterm for sticker investments will be heavily dependent on 2 things, which is Copenhagen stickers and a potential operation that I'm personally expecting in late summer. Another borderless collection will in my mind result in the following. Stockholm, Antwerp and Paris will drop again. Stockholm and Antwerp will recover, but at a slower rate than what happened with Paris, because less new investors will appear due to Paris not being as successful as previous borderless collections from an investing point of view. I can also see people liquidating most of their sticker portfolio if that happens, due to repeated crashes in their borderless positions. These dips will be bought up at a slower pace in general, I think, but I'm honestly doubtful if they can reach new highs in the midterm with yet another borderless collection available at affordable prices, which I predict Copenhagen to be. I just can't see another Paris situation where investors pile into hollows early on again, when most stickers easily lost 50% by now. If sticker prices won't be primarily dictated by investors, I can honestly see borderless Copenhagen actually having potential as an investment, which is probably an unpopular opinion. To me, it's very unlikely it will be invested in as much as Paris did, which is based on multiple factors I want to talk about. First, as mentioned previously, Paris has been anything but successful for most investors that bought stickers or capsules during its long sale. Not having the same results ROI-wise as the collections before that tournament had brings me to my second point, which is attention to the game and specifically to the investing space. I'm really doubting we can reach close to 1.8 million peak players during Copenhagen, and I'd be happy with a peak of 1.4 million, which I want to say is reachable. Basically, everything pumped so hard in May last year, shortly before Paris because of the CS2 hype, and investments were going crazy, so there was a lot of attention on the market as well. You just know it's a good time to sell when everyone comes out of the woodworks to talk about CS items. So now that we have clarified what I expect in the midterm with a borderless collection, how about a bordered one? I honestly could see a decent spike in demand, mostly from investors again, and not from the more valuable consumers, but it's better than nothing, I suppose. Paris will probably not wait for years to be profitable, but could see its first sustainable gains for capsules in late fall, after the operation craze has ended. Antwerp and Stockholm will also profit from bordered Copenhagen. Finally, let's look at the long-term effects of the recent sticker update. So in my mind, it is really good for our investments. I've heard opinions saying it doesn't really matter, which I simply do not agree with, and I'll let you know why. First, if more stickers are able to be applied, or can be applied, in general, more stickers will be applied. Now that can have multiple reasons. For example, because it shows it's a newer craft, which is always more interesting. See, for example, older stickers on new skins, and it's somewhat required to quote-unquote finish the craft. Also, stickers have gained more overall use cases, if you will, increasing its underlying value, which in turn results in an increase in monetary value if you give it enough time. Those applied stickers will then of course deplete existing supply, increasing its price in the long run. We can already see all of that starting when we observe all the 5x sticker crafts that have been registered on Float only a few days into the update. I will keep an eye on application rates as well and will provide an update as soon as the numbers are available again, which should tell us more details of what we can expect going forward for Paris. Thank you so much for staying with me while I looked into my crystal ball. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I'd greatly appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to the discussions in the comments.